Get your career kick-started today. Welcome to the Career Channel. In this tutorial, you will learn the critical things that you need to know right now as a manager within the NHS. You will take away from this video: 1. 5 things you should know about NHS managers. A broad understanding of the NHS long-term plan. How NHS funding works and where the money is spent. 4. NHS England's current strategy and objectives. 5. 9 key things to be doing to be an impactful NHS leader. Just quickly, please do subscribe to the channel as it motivates us to keep bringing you great content. Thank you. Let's jump straight into some in-depth pieces of advice to help you be successful in your role and integrate into your position as a healthcare leader. First of all, here's 5 things you should know about NHS managers. Some of these 5 things may surprise you. Contrary to popular belief, the NHS has relatively few managers, with just 3% of staff being in management. Staff are generally happy with their managers, with over 70% feeling supported by their manager. Research shows that more managers make for better hospitals. They also keep health services running and play a crucial role in ensuring that departments are properly run and maintained. NHS managers come from all sorts of different backgrounds. This is crucial to support diversity of thinking. Both clinical and non-clinical staff have crucial roles to play, and they should be treated with equal weight and respect. It's important to have at least a good general understanding of the structure, values, and culture of the NHS. We're going to have a quick walkthrough to familiarise you with its mission, vision, and key priorities, as well as what you should be doing to maximise your potential as a leader and have the biggest impact. Right, let's take a quick look at the high-level stuff. As a manager or leader within the NHS, it's crucial to have at least a broad understanding of the NHS's long-term plan. Here's a quick overview of it. The NHS long-term, of course, covers a wide range of strategic objectives, but these are the headlines: growing the workforce, retaining existing staff, working and training differently, and finally building flexible teams, all play into a wider picture. To zoom out a little further, here's an easy-to-absorb overview of the NHS long-term plan. Take note of the headings and do a little more research into any that you feel might be most relevant to your role. There are themes here that will cross over into many areas of the hospital functions. Workforce pressures, a focus on technology and sustainable financial planning will be high on most departments' agendas. So, understanding the overarching plan is helpful. But how is this all funded? A broad overview of how NHS funding trickles down to services. Funding is filtered down from government via NHS England, through local commissioning groups who have contracts with service providers such as hospitals as to what they will pay as a block contracts, depending on factors such as demographic and size of population that a hospital will serve. It's useful to do some quick research on block contracts so that you understand how this works and impacts the funding of your own department. As a leader, you will regularly be expected to attend meetings that will require at least a general understanding of this process. It's good to have an understanding of where the NHS spends most of its money. Here's a quick breakdown. The vast majority of NHS spend goes on staffing resource, as you might expect. You can see from this chart how the other blocks of funding are spent. Procurement is, of course, another large part of the spend. This will be equipment and consumables to deliver the care. Is there anything in here that surprises you? Perhaps the size of staffing other costs that captures things like bank overtime spend and agency. Did you consider the impact costs of things like depreciation or clinical negligence? They each have a huge impact on spending. Having an understanding of the strategy and objectives for NHS England helps to complete the wider picture. Let's take a quick look at their plan. Here we have NHS England's plan for the short, mid and long-term strategy. Pause and take a look through their objectives. Consider how these might impact your area of work or wider organisation. How will you help deliver these? Is your department on the right track? Do your own department's strategy and objectives align with these? As a leader, what could you be implementing locally to improve staff retention, deliver digital solutions, or improve outcomes? Let's talk about some of the key things you should be doing as a manager or leader within your organisation to really make an impact. Build relationships. Actively seek opportunities to build relationships with colleagues, supervisors, and other stakeholders. Attend team meetings, participate in networking events, and take the initiative to introduce yourself. Strong professional relationships are key to success in any workplace. Listen and learn. Approach your new role with a mindset of active listening and continuous learning. Be receptive to feedback, ask questions, and seek guidance from experienced colleagues. Embrace the wealth of knowledge available within the organisation. Embrace change and adaptability. The healthcare industry, including the NHS, is dynamic and subject to frequent changes. Develop a mindset of adaptability and resilience. Embrace change as an opportunity for growth and demonstrate your ability to navigate evolving circumstances. Set clear goals. Establish clear, measurable goals for your time. You could use the 30, 60, 90-day plan approach like the one shown here. These goals should align with your professional development and contribute to the overall objectives of the team and organization. Regularly assess your progress and adjust your goals as needed. Seek mentoring and guidance. Identify potential mentors within the organization who can provide guidance and support. A mentor can offer valuable insights, share their experiences, and help you navigate the complexities of the NHS. Proactively seek feedback to enhance your professional development. Stay informed about healthcare trends. Stay updated on current trends, challenges, and innovations in healthcare management. Attend relevant conferences, read industry publications, and engage in continuous education to stay informed about the evolving landscape of healthcare management. Effective communication. Hone your communication skills, as effective communication is crucial in a healthcare setting. Be clear, concise, and considerate in your interactions. Tailor your communication style to different stakeholders, recognizing the diversity of roles and perspectives within the NHS. Collaborate across disciplines. Healthcare management often involves collaboration across various disciplines. Actively seek opportunities to collaborate with professionals from different departments. Understand the interdependencies between functions and foster a collaborative and inclusive work environment. Demonstrate leadership potential. Showcase your leadership potential by taking on initiatives, leading projects, and demonstrating a proactive attitude. Identify areas where you can contribute to process improvement or innovation. Leadership skills are highly valued in healthcare management roles. Let us know in the comments below this video if you feel that the NHS is well managed. Is there anything they could be doing better? What advice would you give to any new managers starting out? Remember, your journey in NHS management is an opportunity for both personal and professional growth. Approach each day with enthusiasm, a willingness to learn, and a commitment to making a positive impact on the healthcare system, and ultimately with the patient at the center of every decision you make. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for your time and well done for making it to the end of the video. You can request your free copy of the slides from this tutorial, as well as our free job interview preparation pack. Why not stop by the store for some premium merch? Thanks for watching.